YouTube to film me on a trampoline for 5 minutes. So for 5 minutes, I am going to jump on the trampoline by myself.
You won't make it 5 minutes.
Yeah, I will.
No, you won't. He will.
5 minutes will be easy.
5 minutes will be hard.
The challenger who challenged me was, I think I can remember all the using it was Julius, and I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm pretty sure that's it. And he challenged me to basically do this. I finally got a trampoline to do this.
20% there.
Okay, still got a lot of energy.
After, can I try?
Oh
What's
yeah.
up? Drink coming your way. And then after, my turn. Can we all do it together? Hi, everybody.
Brett, no! Now we gotta restart it.
No, you don't.
Yes.
Keep going.
I only took a second. Do you have enough energy?
Do you have enough?
Yeah.
When is it done?
Almost.
Oh, did you pull the thing?
Yeah. It's only gone for a minute and 52 seconds.
What?
It only went for a minute and 52 seconds.
Oh, that sucks.
2 minutes.
Okay, I can do this. Wait a minute, how much time do I have?
3 minutes left.
Duh.
3 minutes of this? As my famous speech would say, I'm on a trampoline. But this time, I'm in New Hampshire. I'm serious. I'm in New Hampshire. This isn't where I live, but I'm not going to tell you where I live.
Winchendon.
Hey!
I have no idea what street or which road or which drive or address or what address. Just look for a blue van down a hill.
Huh?
Oh my God.
How much longer?
Almost done.
2 minutes and 45 seconds.
2 minutes 45 seconds. Jeez.
I can do this!
Not.
Dad, put it back to normal.
My dad needs some weed whack.
Okay, you got 1 more minute left.
Finally, then we can get back to our game.
Who cares about the game?
Excuse me, Mom. Cut, 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 cut.
Keep going.
And are we good? And
Oh, no!
yay!
Oh boy. Get real tired of this. It's almost done.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.